Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, after showing a stronger rally throughout last few days and last few candles, now today has seen a little bearishness. We have seen the prices falling from the highs for both Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Now, what to expect with the US session? Can we expect this bearishness to continue, or there is a further fall which can be seen? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. Thus, in order to get the notification, do press the subscribe button. Do like, share and comment as well. And if you think that the content is adding value to your trading decisions, be a member of this channel. That's a great support from you all for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. The join button is there next to the channel icon there. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch it. See Tech 100 here forming a reversal sign on the hourly charts. This could lead to a little rise. How far it can rise, we have to wait for it to see. Yesterday also I have mentioned 16,800 840 zone is the greatest resistance. Those who recall the update, and now see, look at 16,840, how beautiful resistance it has provided. Now, can it break past 16,840? That is what you should look at. Yes, this is a possible reversal sign, but once the prices trades below 16,750, consider that as a bearish breakout as well. Below 16,750, we can see another round of drop, which is going to take the prices towards 16,700. Right now, it is showing the sign of a reversal. Let's see how far it can retrace. Somewhere here in between 16,780, 790 to 810 is going to be the first resistance zone. The stochastic is oversold. MACD is extremely divergent, thus it can try to converge a little. RSI is flat here. Coming to 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour charts, retracement going on here. We have to wait for a rise above 16,780 levels, and then we can look forward to 790, 810 zone as the first resistance, and then 820, 840 as the next resistance zone. So as long as 16,840 is not taken today, do not treat Nasdaq 100 as bullish. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over at the top. Remember this fact. It is trading with divergence and bearishness. I will not say at the top, but see, after the top it is retraced, and now looking downwards, it can lead to a fall for the near term. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, lower highs are done. Preceding candle has a very small body, and yes, you can also note that 740, 750 is a greater support zone. 20 period moving average sitting at 740, making it a greater support as well. So for the day, we have to watch out for, first on the downside, how it behaves at 16,700, 740. This is a greater support, because below this almost, see, I will be looking forward to 16,650, 600 if it stays below 16,700. So we have to be very careful around this zone. Now, on the upside, we know that 800, 840 is the greater resistance as well. So, in sum, these 100 points are going to play a major role. But what is happening right now on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows, if it breaks here on the upside above 16,780, 16,790 zone, a further retracement towards 16,800, 820 can be expected. And if it breaks beyond 16,840, 16,900 is the target. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. And if you notice, see the bullishness here, then the bearish move, then sideways, and it is again looking down. This is certainly a bearish sign. RSI overbought, and it has just come out of the overbought. Now see, you can also learn this art of simply analyzing the charts with ease and finding out the trading levels and strategy. If you want to learn this, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is going to commence in the first month of 2024, that is January. Register yourself. Find the details of the batch on my page on my platform www.forexfunda.com. Also, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals series on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details on my services. Now look at the 4-hour charts. 20 period moving average sitting at 16,700. Prices have taken a rise here and now reversing. First red candle. If the second red candle appears, certainly 16,700 is not going anywhere. This is going to get achieved. 700, 720, 740, very strong support zone. But right now on the hourly charts, we are seeing a reversal. So possibly a little rise towards 800, 810 zone, and from there a fall can be expected. Now, way to sell, 740 you can sell, but be careful around 700. If the prices falls below 700, you can look forward to a massive drop, else it is not to be treated for a reversal yet. Stochastic looking down vertically, MACD divergent and bearish looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to the daily charts, before we look into the daily charts, see, we have also a webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. This is where we discuss and take a deep dive into indices, commodities, metals, and VIX, and I share deeper insights of the markets and its behavior. Do register for it. It also comes with twice or 2 times consultations, one-to-one consultations with me, where you can discuss and take guidance on anything and everything. Register for it. Find the details on my platform forexfunda.com. Also, this Saturday we have a free webinar coming up where we are going to share the technical analysis basics, and yes, this webinar will set the platform for you to understand the markets and the behavior better. Do register for it. Link I will be sharing on my communities tab, and you can find there on my platform www.forexfunda.com. Now look at the daily charts. See, first of all, higher highs are done and it is trying to look downwards. So higher lows, we have to wait for it to stay below 16,700 levels. That is the target. Below 16,700 is only where we can see that the bears will take over. As long as 16,700 is not taken, we have to be careful. Only below 16,700 we can find further bearishness, and this time the drop can be sharper if it stays below 16,700. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 16,740, but then you have to be alert. As long as 16,700 is not taken, you have to be on your toes. You have to keep stop losses at your entry price. And on the, it can show you swings. Remember, it can show you swings. On the upside, buying here at 16,785.90 can lead 20-30 points, but I hardly see it moving beyond 16,800, 840 zone. Very, very strong resistance is there. Any point of time, if the prices are seen staying above 16,840, you can say that 16,840, 850 rather, I will say, keep a 10 points cushion, because you can try to strive to achieve higher highs before falling. The 16,840, 850 is the zone beyond. If it trades beyond 16,840, do not think that it is going to look back. We will look forward to further highs towards 16,900 and plus levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts. This is the support zone here. We have discussed earlier in the day, 16,500, 480. It has come to the same support levels. Below 480 is where the further bearishness can be seen. Now what has happened post this support levels? We have seen a rise towards 37,580. So 37,480, 37,580 is the zone. We have to be careful for this 100 points. In this 100 points, do not take a position. Trading below 37,480, we can look forward to see. Still, as long as 460, 440 levels are not taken, we have to be careful, because below that directly it will lend to the next support at 37,400. Major support at 37,400. Staying below 400, we can see the bears attack there. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is looking down as well. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, the divergence of the price from the moving average, and that is why I say 460, 450, very good support, and then 403 is stronger support here for US30. And possibility is there that it can try to achieve these levels before bouncing back. There is one possibility to it, because below 37,400 is where another 100 points will add up towards 37,300 and below levels. Stochastic falling vertically, MACD crossing over for sell, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 3-hour. Look at 3-hour charts, symmetrical formation, one greener and a sharper red candle here. Now, next red candle is in making, which can take the prices further down towards 37,400. Yes, it is trying to form a symmetry with higher lows. What has happened here can get replicated. We can see it, in fact, moving below 37,400 as well. We have to wait for 37,480, 470 zone, and then see, as long as 440 is there, we have to be careful. Then certainly we are looking at 400 levels. A stochastic drop falling vertically, MACD crossing over here for sell, RSI was overbought, trying to cool down. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4-hour charts. What is happening right now? It is trading within this zone. Just let it come out of it. We have to wait for 37, 460, 450 as well. Below that, certainly there is going to be a massive fall waiting for it. See, this is going to be the first sharper red candle after a bit of rise, where one can look forward to somewhere between 400 and 300 levels to get achieved. And possibility is there that it may try to do so. Any rise above 37,600 is where we can look forward to 200 points adding up here, where the prices might move towards 37,800 levels as well, chances for which appears to be less. Moving averages are trading with extreme divergence, calls for a sharper fall, but right now no signs of it. Stochastic dropping vertically, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI coming out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts. The preceding two candles comes with a flat bottom there, flat bottom at 37,300 260 zone. What has happened? It has achieved higher highs, trying to erase some of the gains. If it falls below this zone at 37,400, major bearishness can prevail, and then 37,300 260 levels also can be seen. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is extremely divergent and bullish, RSI is extremely overbought as well. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to sell here somewhere between 37,440 to 480 zone. Very, very good support exists there. And below this, we can look forward to a major fall towards 400, 360, 300 and 260. Any move beyond 36 260, 37 260, you can say, and major fall is waiting for US30. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series, and do not miss to register for the free webinar coming up this Saturday. See you again before the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do watch that update as well. Be a member of this channel and do subscribe to the services. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.